So Aman, how do you ensure precision and quality in tooling? What are they? What is the secret behind creating some very quality molds?
So for this, I would like to take you through six, seven critical processes,
Mm-hmm.
right, which we follow,
Okay.
and or I would rather say which should be followed,
Okay.
right? Starting with design verification and validation,
Mm.
right? For this, there are various softwares for designing,
Mm.
for simulations, right?
Mm.
These are available.
Mm.
So they help us validate, right? If with respect to the flow, if there is any problem with respect to the flow of material,
Mm.
or if there are any stress points which are being generated in the mold design, right?
Mm.
So we have all these technologies which we can make use of,
All right.
which helps us to validate,
All right.
right? Design. That's in the initial phase,
Got
right?
it.
And post that, the second process would be material selection.
All right.
Now, this is, of course, this is very critical,
Mm.
because when we talk about material, then there are various parameters,
Mm.
right, basis on which we decide
Mm.
what is the right steel
Okay.
which is to be used for.
Mm.
This is basis the client requirements,
Okay.
like what is the product, what is the application, what is the kind of aesthetic that he's looking for,
Okay.
then what is the impact which is needed in that product,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
So there are bases that we suggest them the right steel,
All right.
which obviously gives them a cost advantage too,
All right.
right? So
Got it.
this is very important.
Got it.
Then moving on, of course, when we move to the machining phase, then we talk about the latest technology,
All right.
like there are high speed CNC milling.
Mm.
Apart from that, EDMs
Mm-hmm.
for precision jobs, right?
Okay. Okay.
So we are using all these technologies,
Mm.
so which help us, achieve the right quality,
Okay.
as I mean, which is uh, at I would say rather, which helps us exceed the industry standards as
All
well.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And moving on from machining, see, there are other processes which are critical, like heat treatment or
Okay.
surface treatment of
Mm.
these molds.
All right.
Now, why this is done is because we need to ensure a specific hardness level,
Okay.
right?
Mm.
And this, so there are various processes. To give an example, like nitriding. So
Okay.
these are the treatments which are done on the steel itself,
All right. Okay.
right?
Okay.
Which help us get that desired level of hardness,
All right. Okay.
right?
Okay.
And I think post the machining and everything, another critical parameter would be inspection and measurement.
All right. Okay.
Now, this is very crucial.
Mm.
So here there is technology like CMM,
Mm.
right? What we call coordinate measurement machines.
Mm.
So these are available.
Mm.
So where we check the dimensions and everything. So these are checked up to micron levels,
All right.
right?
Okay.
So having this kind of a setup is mandatory,
Got that.
right?
Okay.
And after that, I think it is more about the process control and the feedback,
All right. Okay.
right? Once everything is finalized, so
Mm.
once this is, I mean, post the assembly process and
Mm.
everything, when the mold is handed over for the trials and
Okay.
everything.
Mm.
So I think the most critical part is again the feedback,
All right.
right?
Okay.
Basis which all the correction and everything, whatever modifications are done. So these are all tracked,
All right. Okay.
right? For future traceability and everything.
Mm.
So I think these are few processes which are mandatory to ensure quality, high quality in tooling.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Thank you so
yeah,
much, Aman.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.